everyone, Hariharan from Indicator Master. In this English version, I'm happy to teach you about this pivot point trading. It is very interesting. One is the pivot trading is. So why it is required the pivot trading is exact target you can meet and exact target you can fix also. It is many professionals this trading only they are utilizing. So that's what I am bringing it here to make the awareness to you all. So before going to the session, this is my channel page. The page name is called Indicator Master and Guider. Many educational videos available. You can make subscribe and you can watch all those things, right? So pivot point. I am coming to the point. Pivot point, right? So here, the Nifty I have keep here. Okay, fine. Just a minute. Yes, yes, yeah. I have keep this Nifty only. I am keeping it here. So today is the 7th November. Today is the 7th November. Then the pivot point indicator will be available in the indicator sessions. Many newcomers will be there. So that's what I'm telling it. So this pivot point where it is come, where we need to use like that. This is that in the trading platform, the pivot point indicator is available. Once that selected, this kind of lines will be formed. Like you can see here. So this is the P line is the P line. This is the P line, pivot point line. R1 is the resistance, R2 is the resistance 2, R3 is the resistance 3, S1, S2, S3. Like that way it is will get formed. So you can see that after opening the market from this S1 level, after crashing pivot point, it is meeting going to R1, then it is exactly R2 will go and return back. So same like that within this line only the price will move. That's what the pivot point is very much important. Today's sessions you can see after opening the market, the pivot point here come and stand 11980, then the price is going up direction. So for this reason we can study today about this pivot point level. Coming to that our section, our telegram channel is I am given in the top. Okay, you can register and you can see many videos from my YouTube channel. Pivot point must know. What is pivot point? Pivot point is a technical analysis indicator. Just I shown to you that this is once the pivot point line is made, again opposite directions will go, otherwise down further go, or otherwise further upward go. So that is called analysis indicator. Once the price point will come to that particular line, we can able to analyze this price where it is will go further. We can able to analyze easily. That's what I'm coming to say is determine the overall trend of the market. So overall trend also we can able to identify over here. Just I can show that the trend you can see once the pivot point it has crossed. This pivot point once it is crossed, this is upward direction. Once this pivot point downwards is come, this is downward direction. That's what once opposite of pivot point full R1 R2 R3 as upward direction, this is below of S1 S2 S3 or downward direction. That's what I'm coming to say in that slide is the determine overall trend of the market. You can use any time frame, any segment of the stock or commodity. This pivot point indicator can able to use in the stock market or commodity market. Anywhere you can able to use. Even if you are using the forex market also, this pivot point will be much helpful to you. Second slide I'm coming to is the pivot point itself simply the average of high, low and closing of previous day. Simple. How this pivot point is arriving? The simple calculation method is there, that is called yesterday closing candle and low of the candle of low price and high, particular candle of high. The three value will be added and dividing by 3. That value is defined defined as a pivot point. That's what I'm coming to say in that point. So we'll next point on the subsequent day trading above the pivot point is thought to indicate ongoing bullish sentiment. I shown that indicator itself. Okay, the next day itself, once the price moving above the pivot point, it is called bullish, and the price below opening or below it is going down, that is called bearish sentiment. So that's what we are coming to say here. Next, the pivot point is a basis for the indicator. Includes special nature. It is having some special nature. It is there. What is that special nature? The special nature is support and resistance level, which much important. Many people will already taught you about the so what is the support, what is the resistance. Still, I'm not covered in that training session about my videos. Okay, I'm going to take that also. Okay, support and resistance level is very much important to us. Level projected based on pivot point calculations. Okay, so where this line I shown many lines, that is called levels. That is projected based on pivot calculations. I will show the pivot calculation also. All these levels help traders see where the price could experience support or resistance. That's what I'm coming to say is support in the sense S1, S2, S3, resistance in the sense R1, R2, R3. So that is simple. So once the price is moving started, so S1 will touch or S2 will touch or S3 will touch. Where it is, we can able to experience through this indicator. Yes. Similarly, if the price move through the level, it is lets the trader know the price is trending in that direction. Okay, what I'm coming to say here is once the price move in the particular direction, our trading also we need to understand the what is the trend direction now, what trade we need to take. We can able to decide after that the direction price moves. This is the calculations. This is if you use this, success will be there. This is you can keep it as a rule. Without pivot level, you don't trade at all. You don't take trade at all. You must keep the pivot point, then you trade. Profit until you can earn much profit, you can earn. Stop loss also you can minimize, and capital also we can able to save. Pivot point calculation simply I have given in that first line. Pivot point PP equal to high plus low plus close divided by 3. That's what pivot point. Rest of the calculation is available in the internet. You can see and pass this slide and you can see the calculations over here. R1 how we are arriving, R2 how we are arriving, R3 how we are arriving. Same like way first support, second support, third support, how we are arriving here. That calculation also it is available. I given over here. So we can see our demo slide. So you can able to understand how this demo slide is working and how powerful this pivot trading. So let's we can see it now. Yeah, here I am going to show the demo of crude oil. So the pivot point is already plotted. The pivot indicator is already is available over here. Then this is the yesterday scenario of 6th November crude oil. So at the evening session as price and come and sit on this pivot point level. Then after that unable to break the pivot point level. Same our regularly monitoring our YouTube channel, they must know it. So CCA how it is behaving now, we need to enter or not. They will decide coming and sitting at R1 level. R1 level is not break. Actually, R1 level it is stopping and a flat market has started. Then the market has got reversed and the pivot point once break the S1 support and coming and sitting over here. So same way you can see here the exactly opposite. The pivot point exactly crossing, MACD also crossing and coming down. So all the indicators it is getting matched. So the pivot point is the main person who is playing in the market. So you also practice that pivot point is, if you follow, the success rate will be much higher. Okay, we can see now the Nifty also. The Nifty is a 5-minute template I kept over here, and the setting and all different. If you want the setting, you can message me privately. I will show the setting over here. The pivot indicator I already posted over here. Then you see here the why I kept the mark over here in the sense that meaning is there. Our CCA is showing more than 50 here. Then only our entry has started. So while seeing the price also, the pivot point less than that, it is coming and set in that S1 line. Then S1 breaks, it is directly going to S2. So that is the special magic here about the pivot point. So here also this trading session about 6th November in the Nifty, once a pivot point is breaks, okay, exactly it is going to R2. it is doubling the profit. So that's what I'm telling. Once if you follow the pivot point level, our profit also will get increase. The day before yesterday, I took them some ADX posted, right? So ADX also strengthening, our pivot point also strengthening, and trend direction also it is getting changed. So that's what the pivot point is much important while entering to the trade. So please have the practice and do the practical session with your friends or colleagues, whatever it is. They can, you can interact, and please practice while discussing the same points with your friends or colleagues. You can get many ideas, right? So have a profitable day. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching. One more request, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends about our training videos. Okay, thank you very much.